So welcome back, guys.
Welcome back
to our passive solar greenhouse build with geothermal piping. In our last episode, we got all the piping put in. We got them to refill. We got them to take away edging so that we have space for the footing. Really big job. Glad that that part is done, but the work still must go on. We are only one step closer to having this completed. Still lots of work to do. But yesterday we took the day off. We went in. Zula got her nails done. I got my hair done. So
I feel like a woman again.
Exactly. Don't look like a gorilla anymore. But lots of work, guys. The next couple of days is going to be another busy program. We're going to show you we need to start leveling off the ground on the outside of the insulation that we're going to install a 20 centimeter by 40 centimeter footing, which is a 16-inch by 8-inch footing with rebar. So we're working on that. Zula's dad is looking for material right now. Hopefully we can start on that tomorrow. Then we're going to pour concrete and then have the concrete footing where we can start to build concrete blocks for the base. We need to go up about 80 centimeters on concrete blocks, just above ground level.
Yeah, which is 4 layer up.
4 layers of bricks. And then we have a decent structure to build the greenhouse on top of. Very exciting, but a lot of work. Have a look at this. So where we are now is that we have our foundation in, which is pretty much well supported, but we do have some gaps. A lot is filled up, but we still have some gaps that we need to refill. The idea is this part is solid ground. This part, of course, over time is going to sink a little. That's why we want to create a footing of concrete that's going to stick out onto the hard ground with rebar inside. So if this ground over time goes down, it's not going to affect the concrete footing and wall. So that's what we need to do. It's very uneven. We need to get this to exactly 30 centimeters down and leveled off. This whole morning I've been fixing one side, so this is pretty much how we want to have it before we can install a wooden frame here so we can pour the concrete and make the footing. But a lot of work to do, but we need to get this done. Yeah.
Now, 'cause I don't want to slow this down. My heart is screaming out.
Chinese wheelbarrow. Chinese wheel.
Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little wrecked.
We pretty much got the one side filled up. We need to compress it, maybe add some more. But now we're starting on the next side, which means that we have 2 sides done, 2 to go. Woo, hard work.
I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
This day has been actually quite busy. We have spent the day flattening the area around the insulation.
Yes.
Then we have been going on putting the forms for the footing around the greenhouse. We're being very DIY about it. We're collecting material from different parts of the family. We're just putting it in because it doesn't really matter. The footing is going to be totally covered by the ground,
Yes.
so you're not going to see it. So as long as it's got the rebar in it and it's going to be strong, it's no problem. So we're just putting whatever we can find to make the right shape so that we can pour the concrete in. So that's what we've been doing today. We're going to continue doing that until it gets a little bit more darker, and then we're going to call it quits. We're going to carry on with this tomorrow, finish the forms for the footing, then start to put in some rebar. Hopefully we can get the concrete truck in a day or two and fill up, and then we can start getting bricks. Hopefully the bricks will arrive tomorrow, and then we can start building the foundation.
Yeah.
So not so much to show you today, but just really interesting. We also had another project I didn't show you. When the digger was here, he dug a hole. It's going to be for the guest bathroom,
Yes.
which we're going to be working on later in the summer. So that's another little secret project that is going on. We don't want this to be just a normal Mongolian outside toilet. We're going to make it a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
So that's a future project.
Also that there's so many people asking the Mongolian subtitle.
Yeah, we're doing Mongolian subtitles, but it's extremely time consuming to do them, to do the videos and the editing. The editing takes about 18 hours to produce a video like this. It's a lot of work, and then to do the subtitles also takes that many hours.
Yeah.
And we have Flame, so to do it, we're getting some help with the translation, but it still takes time to put it in.
Yeah. But we're doing our best, so they will come in the Mongolian subtitle. So,
Exactly, guys.
Монгол хадмал орж явж байгаа шүү манайхаа. Эхнээс орж явж байгаа.
Yeah, we're working as fast as we can to get these videos to you guys.
Yep.
So anyway, we'll catch you guys tomorrow, and
Okay.
we'll carry on working.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, ciao, bye.
Bye.
So good morning, guys, welcome back. Yesterday we got the forms laid out for the footing. Now we're working on removing these wooden supports that we had, and we're going to actually drop them down, but we had wooden support on the front side as well. What we're going to do is we're going to exchange these for these plastic holders, and of course we're going to go through again through the forms, and this plastic is going to be on the inside, which of course we can then concrete over, so it's going to be a lot more pretty. Plus some of these were quite high up, and we've been measuring exactly where the concrete level is going to be, so these of course are going to be inside the concrete for better support. So that's kind of our job today, is to get these exchanged. And the rebar is coming, so we're going to get that in. We're on a push so that they can come pour the concrete. It's not the greatest weather today, but anyway, we've got to keep going. Yeah, work. Got another delivery from our trusty Mongolian driver. The bricks have arrived, but it's not all the bricks. This is only 130 bricks. We worked out we need to have about 330 to 340 concrete bricks. So he's going to have to go at least 2 or 3 times. We got some cement so we can put the bricks together. Big job, so we got to unpack this and then continue in the hole. Big job.
Great. Today's actually a really cold day.
Yeah, it's a really, really cold day. Winter is coming.
Yeah. Right. How's it going, Ash?
Yeah, good. Just removing all the wood.
It's so quiet.
Uh-huh.
Why?
Just working. I'm thinking. Long and slow process today. Basically what we're doing is we are tying rebar, which is the most exciting thing of the year. Pretty much we secured 100 kilos of rebar. It's what you find in Mongolia. We've been tying them all together. We are making very simple DIY two columns with bracing in between, tying them, getting them off the ground so that they're inside the concrete when they pour. We also have some for vertical, which we will do as we're pouring the concrete. But very cool. Cold, it's getting dark, but we've got to keep on going because the truck is coming tomorrow. Yes. It's getting late, it's getting cold, it's getting dark, but we are pretty much there. We have all the rebar in place. We're just going around making sure that everything is secure and tight. Then of course we will double check it tomorrow morning when there's a bit more light to make sure that it is secure. Then we got the concrete truck coming. He's gonna pour around 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. Then we're gonna be working with that all day and installing. We have some vertical rebar that we need to install on the back wall because of course that's going to be a concrete wall that's going to be much higher. We'll take this in the morning. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Welcome back this morning, guys. Was up early, just working on the rest of the framing, coming up with an idea. We're going to be laying concrete, of course, inside here for the footing, but we're going to be building bricks on top. So I just came up with this simple method that you make a line every 40 or every 80 centimeters, then you know that you're going to be in every second block. So when we pour the concrete in, going to be able to place this, and this is just going to be able to stand like that while the concrete goes hard. And then we're going to have the vertical rebar in place so that when we can start putting the bricks, the rebar will go directly in the bricks. So that's what we've been working on this morning.
I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart.
So it's a really, really beautiful day today. The weather has cleared up quite nicely. We've had some problems this morning with the concrete truck. We arranged a concrete truck to bring concrete. We're going to have 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. Everything was set for that this morning. We called him this morning again and it was fine. Then he turned around and said no, he doesn't want to drive this far out of Ulaanbaatar, so he's not coming. So then we tried to find another company, and they also too don't want to come this far out of the city. But we arranged again with the first company, so he is coming. So that is good. We don't have to...
But not sure yet.
Sure. So if we can't get a concrete truck today, we're going to have to start doing it by hand, which is going to be a huge job. But we are hopeful that the truck is coming.
It's doing nice.
I'm just filling up these gaps, because when we pour the concrete, of course the concrete is still going to be quite loose, so I don't want it to pour into the foundation. It's just going to make it a little bit easier.
Yeah, we have a quite big gap. Like,
Of course we're going to do concrete in here anyway,
yeah.
but just for the pour.
Why you are sitting like that?
Oh, my bum.
No, move and work. You give up. Don't cry, baby. Mad Max is broken. Don't cry. Don't give up. Don't give up.
So eventually, it's now 4:15 in the afternoon. We eventually got the truck here. It took some negotiations, but it's here. It's late at night, so we need to pour this concrete before it gets dark. It's going to be a push. It's going to be a busy few hours, but we're going to get it done. So this is the fun part, the concrete trucks that we found in Mongolia that don't come with a slide. So we actually had to make our own slide this morning so that we can funnel the concrete into the gaps. It's really DIY, but it's gonna work. Like soup. So that side. Concrete shower. So it looks like we got all the concrete that we needed to pour. So we've just been checking the levels so that it's the right levels of concrete around. We're just collecting a little bit extra if we need to fill up in some gaps. And then we can start the trowel work by flattening it out and trying to get it as level as we can. A real concrete shower, but great fun. I don't know what to call this in Mongolian, but this is a trowel. So basically we're going to start to level it out, smooth out the concrete, try to get it as level and as smooth as we can. As it starts to harden, we will take a bigger trowel and make it even flat as we can. But this is the first time I've done this concrete work, so I'm sure there's a lot of people who can do it better than I can, but anyway, we got to make it work. But it needs to get a little thicker because we need to trowel again, and then it can put it in. You think I need a shower?
No, you already showered. At least on schedule today.
It would have been nice to have this done
A bit earlier
during the day when we had some sun and it can set a little bit. Because we still have to work with it for the next half an hour, 1 hour to level it out, to flatten it. So we get a really, really nice flat base. But yeah, what time did it start?
No idea.
4:30?
4:30, yes.
Yeah, so it took us 1 hour to pour all this concrete. So yeah.
Oh, the
Really,
depth.
really good idea. Our DIY slide. It
It works perfect.
perfect.
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, so I mean, if you have well preparation, you have a plan, you have some manpower, you get it done really fast. Okay, so basically what we're doing now is installing the vertical rebars for the first 4 layers of bricks. On the corner side of the bricks, we're putting 4 times the amount of rebar, and then we're putting 1 rebar every second brick. And then when we go up, we'll add more rebar. It's okay. Finally, we are done with the pour. We are done putting in the vertical rebar. Now we're just waiting a little bit for the concrete to set. And as the concrete is getting harder, I'm going to start to trowel to get it a little bit flatter. And then it's just to see how it cures, especially it's going to be freezing tonight, but it should be no problem. And we will check this tomorrow and see when it is hard enough to start doing the concrete bricks. And then we will start on the concrete bricks, which will be a first for me too. So anyway, we're going to say goodnight and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning when we have a little bit more light.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Hi. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We're up this morning coming to inspect how the concrete is curing overnight. Having a closer look at the concrete. Of course, it was -10 last night, so it is struggling to cure. Normally it takes about 24 hours, but I think because of the temperature, it's struggling a little bit. So we are not going to do the concrete blocks today. We're going to give it another day, just to make sure that it's hard enough to withstand all the bricks we're going to put on. We also maybe going to just keep the forms while we're doing the bricklaying to give it some extra strength. We have a few days of warmish weather, 3-4 days, and then it's going to get super cold in Mongolia, and pretty much after that the diggers will not come out and refill. We are going to end this video here, and on the next video we're going to do all the bricklaying and get this foundation refilled and completely done, which will be fantastic, really fantastic,
Yeah.
before the real winter cold comes.
Yeah.
Guys,
Winter is coming.
winter is coming. We're having so much fun, guys. We really appreciate all your support, all your comments. For you that have subscribed to the
Yeah.
channel, we really appreciate. We love you guys to bits.
We say thank you.
Thank you. And guys, we will see you really soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Ciao. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I get a little saucy when I see